view, that, isn't it? So, welcome everybody to the top of Shropshire, Caradoc Hill. Elliott's highest hill so far. How you feeling, dude?
Great.
Yeah?
I also had a little bit of a climb. I was making a rock village over there. And my bottle's leaked, so I can't have any water out of it.
Well, you can't have any, well, you can have water out of that bottle, but we've got plenty more, haven't we?
Mm-hmm.
Which is a good job, because it's hot. Or it was hot. It's gone pretty cool now. And as you saw from that little shot before, there's some serious storms passing, well, some serious downpours passing over the Welsh border over there. I'll just turn you around and show you again. Look at that.
Daddy, don't get over there.
There's no rain over there. Yeah, I reckon that's probably time-lapse worthy, especially with the sun coming down behind it as well. So we'll set that up in a minute. We're in the Lanshan 2 tonight. The ventilation on it is better than, well, the ventilation into the inner tent is probably better than, certainly better than the Solo, the Hilleberg Solo. Probably better than the Anjan as well for airflow. And because it's been such a hot week, really sticky, uncomfortable nights, I decided we'd go for the Lanshan. Yeah, Elliott and I have come out. It's Thursday night. What is it, the 22nd today? Yeah, it's my brother's birthday today as well. So happy birthday, bruv. I hope you've had a great day and a lovely night, and enjoy the presents, and I'll see you soon. But Elliott and I are going to we're going to have a hot chocolate, and we're going to sit here, watch the storms pass by. Can you hear that thunder?
And hopefully watch the sunset.
Hopefully watch the sunset if the clouds pass by. We've got about an hour until sunset, and there's a lovely cool breeze coming off those storms at the moment, so it's quite nice compared to the hot.
Apart from if it rains.
Well, if it rains, then we'll retreat into the tent straight away, won't we? That's fine.
Certainly.
But yeah,
Oh.
for now we're just going to chill, hot chocolate, and then get a good night's sleep. I'm going to set up a time lapse of this dramatic storm and sunset going on over here, and hopefully that'll come out nicely. If it does, you'll see it shortly. How's that, mate? Good stuff? Any words?
Yeah, great.
What do we think of this sunset, mate?
Awesome. Well, here's the sunset, folks. I was just drinking my hot chocolate, but it turns out the sunset, it's setting quite fast, and there's quite a lot of colours as well. Red, green, there's red, grey, white, red, orange, pink, peach. You know, all sorts of colours.
Some really cool clouds up there as well, aren't there, mate?
So, one of them is shaped like an iron. An iron, see?
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, it is. There's a pointy one here.
Yeah.
With a handle.
Yes.
It's quite nice and cool up here now. For anyone that doesn't know, this is quite a well-used Shropshire camping spot. You'll have seen a lot of the Mafia here. Dave, Gordon, honorary members of the Mafia, Andy and John, Davey Boy, Stewie. Lots of other people as well, actually, but there's only one Mafia. I'm just kidding. We welcome newcomers. Over there, so we've got some of the better known hills of Shropshire over here. This is the Lawley. That's the Wrekin. And if we turn this way, we've got Brownclea and Titterston-Clee. And then this one here is Willstone Hill, where I camped with a few of the lads not so long ago.
And we aren't sure what the hill closest to us is called.
Yeah, there's a little sort of bump off the end of Caradoc here. We'll have a look at what that's called on the map, and I'll put it on the screen. And then beyond, it's out towards Wales and Snowdonia, and this epic sunset that's going on at the moment.
We've got the camera filming.
Yeah, I've set up that time lapse that I promised.
You may not think that the camera's on, but it's doing something called time lapse, which means it's saving battery by switching the screen off while it's filming, so it doesn't waste as much battery.
Who knew? Say goodnight, dude.
Night night, everybody.
Night night, everyone.
Night night, Elliott. Trace, and we're good to go.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
How do you see a face this?
Oh, that is cool.
So cool. See if we can find any more caves.
No, I think this is the only one there is, mate.